Hi everyone, this video is completely new to my channel, but I think you guys are going to love it. We all are in our home, right? Doing online classes, assignments, work from home. Basically, we all are stuck in our home due to this pandemic, and sometimes we feel down, demotivated. So we all need something to elevate our mood. Same thing happened to me, guys. I also wanted to do something. Then I thought ki, how will it be if I transform my room a bit? Yes guys, if you change or transform your corner a bit, then that really helps to elevate your mood, and that's basically a human nature. So I told my mother about the whole planning, what I wanted to do, got permission, and then I started searching on Meesho home decor items. And honestly guys, on Meesho you will find a huge variety of home decor items, that too at a very affordable price. So I just gave that a try and everything arrived. Also I have something more to order from Amazon, Flipkart, something like that. So now I'm going to show you all the products. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. By the way guys, I do not expect much views on this video because I posted a poll on my community post and there only 8% people voted home decor video. So the first piece I got is this wooden shelf. You guys might be thinking, what is this? Actually, this kind of wooden shelf is nowadays so popular on Meesho, Amazon, Flipkart, like everywhere. I also wanted to try it, but I was also in doubt because its price was not very high. I got it only for rupees 359. So guys, this comes like this, 4 wooden pieces, and we have to arrange it. As you can see, there are some slots to fix them, so you just have to do this. So basically guys, this looks like this, and if I fix it on my wall, then it will look like this. So I got it in white color because I wanted my room to be in pink and white color, pink and white theme. So it has provisions at the back with the help of a needle. With the help of a nail, we can easily fix it to our wall. So yes guys, have a close view. So nextly guys, I got 2 candle holders. So guys, these are the holders, and ye thoda chota hai, but they're really so cute guys, and also you can use them as decor piece without keeping candles inside. And you will also get other color options, and you have to put the candle inside niche se, like you have to do this, then just bring it out. So this is how you can fix it. And you can also remove this holder if you want, like this. Okay. In short guys, I am loving them and I am thinking of keeping them in my shelf. Not sure by the way. So it cost rupees 297, but unfortunately glass of this holder is broken guys. You can see this. So guys, moving to the next item, I got a beautiful macrame cushion cover. Remember guys, this is not a cushion, this is only the cushion cover. So I really love this macrame things a lot. So my sister told me that she will make a DIY macrame cushion cover, and uske liye usne order bhi kiya macrame thread, but aaj tak nahi ho paya. So Meesho mein we got this beautiful macrame cushion cover at really a very affordable price, just for rupees 326 guys. The threads are also of good quality, like you can wash it normally. This is the zip closer. यहाँ पे मैं डालूंगी ये. So 16x16 size, and this looks like this. I thought I will be looking cute with this, but literally I am doing like a cartoon character. Okay, now I am a normal human being guys. So guys, moving to the next thing, I got a wall clock, pink and white combo. So yeah, by the way, I got this clock just for rupees 344, and nothing to describe guys, this is a normal clock, all the numbers are here. What I'm saying, I'm explaining like you guys have never seen a clock before in your life.
Hey, तू इसके साथ मत घूम रे, तू पागल हो जाएगा. आप जाओ, आप काम करो, आप.
Moving to the next item, I bought this wooden side table which is foldable. So this is how it looks, and this is super cute, and I am loving this wooden finish. So अच्छा लगा, order तो कर दिया, लेकिन now I am quite clueless कि मैं इसे कहाँ रखूँगी. But to be honest, this is really very beautiful, so compact, and I have started using this in my background while shooting. In short, I am loving this. I got it for rupees 370 only. I just highly recommend you guys this one. So guys, all the items are under rupees 500 and all of them are really very perfect and cute and beautiful and everything. If you want to see how I transform my room, because my room is quite boring, let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a room transformation vlog if possible. Also guys, I will be I will provide all the codes down below in my description box, as Meesho mein links nahi hote, codes hote hai. So if you like anything, you can just go and pick them up. The next thing is going to be the most beautiful thing. Let's see what's inside. They did the packaging so nicely. Though they took extra packaging charge, but no issue. I got it without any hassle. Look at that guys. I got it just for rupees 176, I guess. 170. But you have to pay extra delivery charge of rupees 76 because it is fragile guys. But the quality and the design is so good, amazing. So इसमें रखने के लिए मैंने order किया this bunch of rose. OMG, this looks so natural and the color is pure white. I love you guys. And this bunch of rose consists of 13 roses and all of them are separable. So I think both the combination will look so elegant. Though these roses are artificial, but they look so normal. The best purchase, and I got it for just rupees 324. Some more things to show you guys. So nextly I ordered a pack of 4 LED string lights. This cost rupees 269 and these are battery operated. Like you have to open this lid. So yeah, you have to just slide it and open it. Here you have to put 2 pencil batteries and then just switch it on. Then it will. Wow. So this is how it looks, and this one string consists 20 LED lights. So nextly guys, pack of scented candles. So these are the tea light candles and this is a candle jar, and as you can see all are of lavender and this smells really so nice guys. I got it for 235 rupees. So I'm thinking of keeping them inside those candle holders. Again a cushion cover. Some geometric patterns are happening all over it. As you can see, again this is white and pink. I got it for 266 rupees. That's a happy color guys. So guys, we are about to end the video. Last but not the least, I got some plants, artificial plants. So these are the artificial plants guys. They look really so good. 3 types of cactus. Yay! And nextly guys, this one. This is like a parasite creeper. And this is really so long and I am thinking of keeping it here. I don't know. This segment came out guys. So that's it. And also guys, I ordered one more plant. I will keep the picture here. But the thing was guys, that was really so small and I personally did not like that, so I returned it back. Anyways, this is all about my today's home decor haul video. Most of them have arrived as I expected and they're really so good looking and literally I can't wait to transform my room guys. So if your room is already organized or already good looking, then you can try some DIY arts for hanging up in the walls, like fluid arts, resin arts. Those are so popular these days. Just keep yourself busy and happy, as I always say. That's really very important. So we will fight together against Corona.
So firstly, you just have to open the Meesho app, and now I am going to this palazzo set. Now you can select your favorite outfit and then you have to select the size. Add it to your cart, select the payment method. Online payment and cash on delivery both are available. Then you just have to add your profit margin. But if you want to buy for yourself, then write the exact amount of money. Now address details and done.
I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and do not forget to hit the like button and also share and subscribe to my channel. That is really motivating, and much love from myself. Bye.